Understanding wallet address in the digital world. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase wallet address. This is a term that's becoming increasingly important in our digital world, especially with the rise of cryptocurrencies and online transactions. So, let's dive in and understand what a wallet address really means. A wallet address is a unique string of characters used in digital transactions, especially in the world of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Think of it like an email address or a home address. It's where others can send you digital currency, and it's also where you can send currency from. However, unlike an email address, a wallet address should be used only once for security reasons. Every wallet address is made up of a long series of letters and numbers. This might look random, but it's actually a very precise and secure code. There are two main types. 1. Public addresses, which you share with others to receive payments. 2. Private keys, which you must keep secret, as they allow you to access and control your funds. When it comes to wallet addresses, security is paramount. Never share your private key with anyone, as this could lead to your funds being stolen. It's also crucial to double-check the address before sending or receiving funds, as transactions cannot be reversed once they're initiated. Using a wallet address is relatively straightforward. 1. To receive funds, you share your public address with the sender. 2. To send funds, you input the recipient's public address into your wallet application and specify the amount to transfer. Understanding the concept of a wallet address is essential in today's digital era, especially if you're dealing with cryptocurrencies. Remember, always keep your private keys secure and double-check addresses before any transaction. We hope this video has been informative and has clarified the concept of wallet addresses for you. Stay safe and happy transacting.